a lily trotter. And he is a father on duty. He has not just one, but 4 newly hatched chicks. They won't be able to fly for another 6 weeks. So until then, he alone is their protector. Walking on water is not straightforward. So he must show them how to be a lily trotter. The floodwaters make the perfect training ground. And in 2 weeks, his chicks not only double in size, they grow in confidence. But this is a dangerous place to stray. He sounds the alarm, and his chicks instantly freeze. They can't yet fly to safety.